No worries, over to you.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Ike. I'm from Manchester. I bring you all greetings from OFNC Manchester. I'm quite new to London. Is anyone else new like me? I'm just a few weeks here. Anyone as new as me? No? Okay. Oh, nice. Oh, that's great. Okay, nice. Do we welcome the new people or do we need to later? Okay, later. Okay, then we'll do it later. Excellent. Everybody has been telling me London, you know, if you don't, London is like Lagos. If you can't make it in London, you can't make it anywhere. Okay. Then I said, okay, I'll move myself slowly over, just dip my leg in small, see how it is. And then, but I'm interested to be convinced whether to stay here. So I want to hear from this wonderful crowd. What is so special about this London? Talk to me. Where's the mic? It's quickly. Talk to me, quick. Let me hear from a few people. What is so special about this London place? Quick. Convince us. What is special? Tell us now. Convince me. Come on. Quick. Few people. Let's do it.
Health is free. NHS is free.
My sister is everywhere. Sorry. Next question. Thank you. Next question. Quick. That's everywhere. What is special? What makes London great?
You pay congestion charge, right?
You pay congestion charge, okay?
You don't drive a car that is with diesel,
okay?
But you can work in Canary Wharf.
Okay. Canary Wharf, okay, thank you, sir.
You can also have a privilege to work in the television, BBC.
Okay. BBC is in Manchester as well, sir. And we have ITV there as well. Telecom, we import it from Manchester. Anybody else? Convince me, or this is not convincing.
And
I'm about to pack my bag and go
from you in the conference,
yes.
You will see some spirit-led, well brought up men with uni and graduates.
Okay, I understand. I understand what you're saying. Few seconds, everybody. Convince me. Who next? Yeah. We need some young people. Until you're very young. But I need somebody younger. Okay, Auntie, go ahead.
I just want to quickly say that there is no place like OFNC London.
Yes.
You can never get stranded, so we have 24-hour tube buses everywhere. So you can never say that you can be anywhere in London and you'll still get to your destination.
Okay.
As long as you have Oyster card and a working phone.
Okay, I'll take that. That is convincing. Somebody else, please. Convince us. We need a young person. We need young people.
Some people.
Wait, look at them here. Look at them. Look at this one, the Afro. Look at this one. Tell us. London.
So in London, there are lots of good events to go to.
Okay.
A lot of free museums, and just places to hang around.
Okay, I'll take that. The Queen is not too far as well. She's somewhere nearby. I'll take that. We need young people, I'll take it. This 18 to 30s program.
Hello.
My sister, your phone, is this still working?
No, for the price of £1.50, you can get on so many buses within an hour.
Oh, wow, okay, that's nice. We'll tell one more.
Okay.
I don't know why it's not working. I don't think
One thing about London
right
is that you cannot, if the food that you ate in Nigeria before you came to UK, and you be crying, where can I find it?
Swear.
If you live in Manchester and you don't have it, if you live in Somerset, you don't have it, come to London.
Okay, I'll take that. I'm slightly convinced. I'm getting slowly convinced. But there is African food in Manchester too. It's an area called Mosul. It's like Peckham. Mosul is like Peckham. Very long and Africanized, very Nigerian people.
London
Yes.
is the multicultural capital of Europe.
Okay.
That's what I say.
Okay. Now, this is the second part of my question. What things do I need to watch out for in London? Aha! You see, you told me the good now. Let me know the other side so I know how to operate on these streets. Because okay, so the sister at the back wants to talk to me. What do I need to watch out for? Do I wear black? Do I wear white? Do I wear red?
Rush hour is just no.
I've experienced it. Everybody is hanging like this. They're entering jail, like we're all like this. I've experienced it. What do I need to watch out for, bro?
Knife crime.
Hey! Go on. Hey. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Eh? Sorry, it's not there. It's not there. We are very... It's having Manchester. Would you like a cup of tea? No problem. No gun there. They have put all those guys into one corner. Anybody else, please?
It's expensive if you're in Central.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. One more, and then we'll move on. One more person. Eager to. Okay, yes, sir.
Something happened to me in September 1979.
Hey. What happened to you in 2019? 2019. What happened to you in 2019? Not that I want to know. 20 years. 2019. Okay.
When that was my first week in London. Now I've looked for accommodation from Old Country Road there, walking on my foot to Lewisham, and I've walked back to New Cross, and so I was exhausted. A Nigerian woman, I was asked to go to a particular house that they have accommodation. So as I got to the woman's house in New Cross, not very far from here, the woman knew that I had just left my mother, who used to feed me. She knew that I was hungry. Mm-hmm. And you know what this Nigerian woman did?
Nigerian woman.
She said, come in. But before I tell you whether we have accommodation or not, you must eat. You must eat before I tell you whether we have accommodation or not. So you could having come from Manchester, even in London, don't be surprised if a Nigerian mother calls you in.
Wow, thank you, sir. I appreciate that, sir. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Nigerians are very well represented in London, actually. There's a lot of small grace. So, just a quick summary of myself. My name is Ike. I was born in Nigeria. I came to the UK at the age of 7. Somebody told me, Ike, quickly get a British passport. So I rushed and just asked the embassy, give me a British passport quickly, and they gave it to me. And then that's just simple. I just went there and said, give me British, they give it to me, and it wasn't that easy. It wasn't that easy. It's great. At the age of 18, I went to America to study and play football, did my undergraduate there. And then Americans, they give me 3 options, to stay in this country. Either a company sponsors you to stay here, or you continue your masters, or you marry somebody who's an American. Well, all 3 of those options were, especially the marriage one was available, but I don't do arrange. It's not Christian, is it? You don't arrange, you don't do that. It's not godly, is it? You know what it is when you papers, so it's not good. So I didn't do that, and so I weighed up all my options, and then I came back to the UK. I go into schools, delivering talks. I've written a couple of books, still writing some others. It's just an exciting time. God is using me to serve people. I'm just excited in the process. Today's workshop is going to be a bit of a creative one. I've broken down the elements into different groups of people. So how we're going to do it today, we're going to separate ourselves into little groups, and we're going to analyze some poetry that I've written relating to different age groups. So I've got stuff here for high school, I've got stuff for people who are preparing for uni, I've got stuff for people who are in uni, I've got stuff for people who are just after uni, who are working professionals. I've also got things here for parents, and I've also got for, if you don't fit into any of those categories as well, you have children, and so we'll do it like that. So any high school students in the house, please? Any high school students? Secondary school? Secondary, is that what they call it in London, is it? Okay, any secondary students in secondary school students? Yes, can we all like get ourselves together on one side of the back there with the chukujekus real quick, real fast, just right now, come on real quick. All together. Next, anyone, sixth form, yeah, secondary school and sixth form, please. Anyone in university right now, please? Anyone in uni right now? Anyone? One? Yes, two. Please, sister, can we all get ourselves together here? Anyone just left uni could join this group. Anyone just left uni? 1 year, 2 year. Please can you join this group, please? Thank you very much. I really appreciate this. Thank you very much for your speed. Anyone who is a working professional, who is like mid-career, like climbing up the ladder, you're almost there, mid-career, working professional. Anybody hands up, please? Okay, can we all pile ourselves somewhere with this group here? Excellent, excellent. Thank you, thank you. Anyone who is from MFM? Anyone who is MFM? Who's MFM group? Pile yourself here. They're all here. This is MFM. I know them. I met them in MFM. You don't know MFM? Mountain of Fire. Yeah. They will break this house down. So if you're from if you don't fit into any of the categories, please here. Parents, please can we gather ourselves on this side, please? Thank you very much. Parents, we can all come on this side. So you can stay there as one group. Actually, you can stay there. Yeah, you can stay there. Parents on the front here. Thank you very much. Excellent. Please, can I have a helper, please? Can I have a quick helper, please? Thank you. Can you help me give this to the high school group? Please. Parents can be divided into two groups. You can divide it into two groups. She's still recording. My sister, you can stop recording now. Thank you. I really appreciate it.